Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Target Affiliates for seasonal product recommendations. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To log into Target Affiliates for seasonal product recommendations, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Target Affiliate Program URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Target Affiliate homepage. Look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to open the login portal. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy. Once you have entered your credentials, locate the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button to access your affiliate dashboard. After logging in, navigate to the section dedicated to seasonal product recommendations. Explore the curated lists and featured products relevant to the current season. Take note of any promotional materials or links provided for easy sharing. If you need further assistance, check the help section or contact support. Once you have reviewed the recommendations, you can begin promoting them on your channels. Log out when you are finished by clicking on the Logout option, usually found in the account settings. Close your browser to complete the session safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.